Let me be honest with you, family. When you are leading a project, there are a lot of demands on your time, a lot of demands on your execution, a lot of demands on you being that crucial role in which could help mitigate the business stress. And so, family, what you have to do is, and again, I don't, I'm working on that, telling you what you have to do. And so, if I say it, please work with me. But point I'm trying to draw towards is maintaining a positive mindset and maintaining and seeking support also by doing extracurricular activities. For me, I like to go play basketball or go bowling or even reading a book or going for a walk. But family, I'm not going to say have a work life balance because that just is such a cliche word. And everyone says, hey, to balance the stress or anything, have a work life balance. But sometimes, let's be honest, family, it's challenging to have a work life balance. And sometimes you may be finding yourself, working more and spending time with yourself less. And sometimes it's flipped around. So it's all about family creating some type of destination for you, creating a plan for yourself personally about how you're going to deal with stress when it comes your way and how you're going to be more proactive instead of reactive. Let me tell you what happened to me, family. So I'm one of those people when you give me a task, it's a gift and a curse of mine. The gift is I'm committed